Okay, so using the butterfly method, now you can answer questions like this. So which of these ratios are equivalent to 3/4? So I'm giving you the ratio of 3/4, and you have to determine A, B, C, or D is equal to that. So for the first, and the easiest way to do this is to go through each one and put it in your box. Put 12, put 9. Butterfly it out, so 9 times 3 is 27. 4 times 12 would be 48. Okay, so looking at that, is 27 and 48 the same number? No, so it cannot be A. Let's look at B, 9 over 12. So I'm going to put 9 here, and then I'm going to put 12, because another way to write a ratio is as a fraction, so you can write it as a fraction. So 3 times 12, 36. Then you have 4 times 9, which is 4 times 9, which is 36. Okay, are 36 and 36 the same? Yes, they are. So that means B is your answer. Now, it says which of these ratios. It's not saying select all. It's not saying determine 3. It's giving you, just asking you for one of the ratios. So you found your answer, so you can stop at that one. You do not need to do C and D. Your answer is B, and you're good to go. So don't do more work than you need to.